Hello and welcome to this gentle full body stretch, perfect for anyone who is new to yoga. This practice includes a little bit of everything to give you a great full body stretch. When you are ready, we'll begin in a kneeling position at the back of the mat. So you can either have your toes tucked under, or you could come up onto your toes so that you're sitting on your heels. Then just rest your hands on your thighs, close your eyes, and we'll start with a few steady breaths in and out here. Just breathing in through your nose and out through your nose or mouth. Letting your shoulders relax, softening the muscles in your face. Then we'll take a couple of head rolls, just rolling the head a few times in each direction. Then bringing your head back through center, open the eyes. If you're sitting up on your heels, release your feet, untuck your toes. Then bring the feet to the right side, your hips on the left. Place the right hand by your side, reach the left arm up, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bend to the right, finding a stretch down the whole left side of the body. Relax your head, take a deep breath in. And exhale out. One more breath like that here. Good. Then we'll sit back up. Take the feet to the left side. Place your hips on the right. Reach the left hand out to your side. Reach the right arm up. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bend to the left. Finding a stretch down the right side of the body this time. Find a deep breath in. Exhale out. Then one more breath in here. Exhale to release. Then come back up through center and come onto hands and knees, our tabletop position. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees here. And we'll start to draw a figure of 8 with the body to warm up the wrists. So you can move as fast or as slow as you like here. Then coming back into tabletop, we'll find cat-cow. With your inhale, arch your back and gaze forward or look up. With your exhale, round your back and gaze down. Inhale as you arch your back. Think of opening your chest here. Exhale as you round. Think of lifting the back of the heart. A few more times like this. Then coming back to tabletop now. With an inhale, reach the right arm up, turn your chest open, look up to your fingertips. As you exhale, thread the right arm under the left. Lower your shoulder, lower your head down to the mat to find thread the needle. Then the left hand could stay where it is, or you could wrap it behind the back, reaching for the right side of your waistband, or maybe your t-shirt. Relax into the floor here. Come back to your breath. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale out. Then come back to tabletop. We'll move on to the left side. Inhale as you reach your arm up, turn your chest open, gaze up. Exhale, left arm threads under right. Lower your shoulder, lower your head for thread the needle. And you can either keep the right hand where it is or wrap it behind your back. And then settle in, come back to your breath. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale out. And come back to tabletop. Keeping your hips stacked over your knees, walk your hands forward and sink your chest down for puppy pose. If this feels too much, you could always bend the arms, lower the forearms. You can rest your chin or your forehead on the mat here. Take a deep breath in. Then as you exhale, ripple forward to lie down on your belly. Bringing the forearms down to the mat so the elbows are under your shoulders for sphinx pose. Then pressing the forearms into the mat to lift your chest, roll your shoulders back and take a deep breath in. Exhale out. 2 more breaths here. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. Final deep breath in. And on your exhale, push back to tabletop. Good. Then extend the right leg to your side so the foot is in line with the left knee. And then we'll rock back, sitting the hips back to the heels, and you'll probably start to feel a pull down the inner thigh. And then rock forward. Now with the breath. Exhale as you rock back. Inhale to rock forward. A few more times. Move at the pace of your breath. Then the next time you rock forward, start to heel toe the right foot to the outside of the right hand. And we find lizard lunge. You can let your hips sink forwards and down. Maybe edge the back leg down the mat to create more space. Then bring the right fingertips to your temple. With an inhale, lift the right elbow up to turn your chest open, finding a twisted position. Just pausing here. Release your twist. And then straighten the right leg. Move your hips back and flex your foot. You can always keep a slight bend in the knee here. And we'll move between these 2 positions. So re-bending the knee for lizard lunge. Inhale. And then extending the leg to find a half split position. Inhale, lizard lunge. Exhale to a half split. One more time. Inhale to lizard. Exhale. Straighten the leg. Pausing here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. And re-bend the leg. And come back to tabletop. And extending the left leg to your side, keeping the foot in line with your knee. And again, we'll rock back with our exhale, feeling that stretch along the inner thigh. And then rock forward as you inhale. Exhale back. Inhale forward. A few more times, move with your breath. And the next time you come forward, heel toe the left foot to the outside of the left hand, finding your lizard lunge. You could edge the back knee further back to create a little more space here. Bring the left fingertips to your temple with an inhale, lift the elbow up, turn your chest open, and pause in your twisted position. Good. Release your twist now. And straighten the front leg. Move your hips back. Flex the foot for your half split. And then rebend the knee. Come back to lizard lunge. Moving between these two positions. Exhale to half split. Inhale to lizard. A few more times. Exhale, straighten the leg. Inhale, rebend the knee. Final time, straighten the leg, and we'll pause here. So just gaze down, relax your neck, take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Good, rebend your knee and come back to tabletop. And then swing your legs forward here to come to a seated position. And we'll bring the feet together, open the knees apart, coming into a diamond shape with the legs, a Baddha Konasana. You can hold on to the outsides of your feet for now and lift and lower your knees quite quickly to build a little bit of heat. Good. Then keep your knees apart. Gently fold forward. You can let your spine round here. Tuck your chin into your chest to lengthen the back of the neck. And come back to your breath. With your next inhale, sit up. And we'll keep the legs in this position as we lie back. Then you can either rest your hands on your belly here or relax your arms by your side. Roll your shoulders down your back. And we'll just be still for now. Then keep the knees apart, but hug them in towards your chest. You can bring either hand to either knee. Either staying in stillness as we come to a kind of happy baby, or you could rock side to side here. Just giving the back a little bit of a massage. If you want to focus this at the lower back, keep the legs further away so that as you rock, you feel that slight pressure towards the base of the spine. And we'll straighten the legs now. Relax the arms by your side. Finding our final posture, shavasana. Nothing else to do here but be still. Deepen your breath. And gently move your fingers and toes. And hug your knees into your chest. Roll onto your side. And when you're ready, join me back in a seated position. Just keeping the eyes closed for now. Resting your hands on your knees, relaxing your shoulders. We'll finish with 3 rounds of breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And a big sigh out through your mouth. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Final one. Inhale. And exhale to let it go. And flick your eyes open when you're ready. Thank you so much for your time and energy. I hope that you enjoyed this gentle practice. Take care, and I'll see you next time.